What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you 5 easy tricks on a ledge. So after this, I need to make some videos about like flat ground stuff that you can do inside your garage or inside your house, because I feel like most of the people that watch these videos live in a place where it's so cold you can't really go outside and skate right now. Like some freestyle type tricks. So let me know in the comment section below what type of freestyle tricks you'd like to see. I don't really know a lot of freestyle tricks, so I'll have to learn them too. So these are the easiest tricks for me personally. They might not be the easiest tricks for you. Some people are good at tail slides. I'm really bad at tail slides. I filmed a how to tail slide video, but I haven't uploaded it yet. But that's definitely not one of the easiest tricks for me. So I would start out with a nose slide, because with the nose slide, you don't have to ollie all the way up onto the ledge or all the way up onto the ledge this way. You just have to barely push your board onto the ledge. So you can start out with some really small ledges when it comes to nose slides. So with the nose slide, you're coming at a slight angle. You just barely pop or lift your board up, put all your weight on your front foot, slide through, and then turn your shoulders, fall off the ledge, and roll away. All right, so the next trick I want to talk about is a front side 50-50. Front side is easier when it comes to 50-50s because the ledge is in front of you. You just kind of have to lean over the ledge, come at an angle, ollie, and practice getting onto the ledge. You just have to figure out the right amount of pop just to put your wheels right up on the ledge or all the way up there with your heel side wheels locked against the ledge. 50-50 is the easiest grind. You know, it's not a slide like a board slide or a nose slide. It's actual grind because the trucks are hitting the object. Next, let's talk about the board slide. Board sliding on a ledge is a pretty easy trick. You just want to make sure the ledge is really waxed, not only on the side where you're grinding, but where your wheels are touching, and you want hard wheels because you're gonna have to really slide those. If the wheels are soft and the ledge is sticky, then you have to actually hold the wheels up and slide. So with that, you can't do a really long board slide. So it's easier to do that on a ledge that's not very long like this. You can really hold your wheels up and slide it. But if it's a long ledge, you're gonna have to really wax it up and go fast and actually put your wheels down and slide it, because it's gonna be harder to hold that just because of gravity is gonna be kind of pushing you down. So yeah, you're coming at an angle, you're ollieing, landing on the ledge, board sliding it, and coming off the end. I think board slides on ledges could be easier than rails because they're stickier and you don't slide out as easy. So if you're first learning a board slide, you might want to try it on a ledge. So next, let's talk about the backside 50-50. Backside 50-50 is harder than the frontside 50-50 because the ledge is behind you and you can't really see where you're going. You have to just kind of trust yourself. It's also easier to propel your body forward, at least for me, than it is to push your body back. So yeah, you just kind of leaning your weight back, kind of sitting in it so you can actually pop and shift all of your weight backwards. That's the hardest part. You have to come at an angle, but you also have to kind of throw your weight back behind you and pull the board back. And that can be really difficult for a lot of people. With this trick, you're locking in all the way up there with your toe side wheels up against the ledge. So the next trick I want to talk about is kind of like the 50-50. It's just a 50-50 with a 180 out. So if you 180 out of the ledge, that's kind of a different trick. So the next trick I want to talk about is kind of like the 50-50, but it's just the 50-50 with a 180 out. So with this trick, you get into the 50-50 just like you normally would, and then you just turn your shoulders, pop, and do a front side or backside 180. This is the easiest combination grind trick of all time. All you're really doing is getting the 50-50, turning your shoulders, popping, and you'll come right off 180. 180 and out of a 50-50 sometimes is easier than doing a 180 on flat ground. You don't have to really try as hard. So I've talked about this in a few videos before. I actually made a whole video on this, but the next trick after the 50-50 180 out would be a nose slide shove, and that's the second easiest like grind combo type trick that there is. It's much easier than doing a board slide shove. Your board doesn't tend to flip over primo nearly as much as it would with a 50-50 shove or a board slide shove, because you're not as far up on the ledge. So you're getting into that nose slide, then you're giving just a little scissor kick, jumping, turning your body, 45 degrees, landing on the board and rolling away. Not 45 degrees. So with this trick, you're getting into the nose slide, and then you're gonna give it a little pull with your front foot that's on the ledge, little scissor kick, and just barely turn your body, like 90, land on the board, and roll away. So with the nose slide shove, you're just getting into the nose slide, you're putting all your weight on your front foot, and then you're gonna be pulling it with your front foot a little bit, doing a little scissor kick, jumping, turning your body, just slightly, landing on the board, and rolling away. It's a pretty easy trick. So that's 5 easy tricks on a ledge. Some of this is repetitive of some of the other videos I've done, but it's important to know how to do just multiple tricks on a ledge. So I thought I'd do a video where I'd kind of put all the easiest ones together. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.